Right there is another AI website that educators must know about. Man, those EdTech quick tip videos hit a little bit different when you wake up Super Bowl champions once again. This week, once again, I've got another AI website to share with you. One of the most difficult things when it relates to utilizing artificial intelligence is prompting. I have started to collect, create, and share various prompts that I come across using my ChatGPT Prompts for Educators spreadsheet. I'm going to link it down below the video if you want to check it out. But if you don't know what the prompts are to input into ChatGPT and these other AI websites, you might not be able to take full advantage of them. So enter the website we're going to cover this week, which is Hyperwrite. Their pricing structure is free to try out. They say that you get a certain number of credits per month. I have played around with the tool pretty extensively and I haven't met that limit yet. I don't know what the limit is, but you can at least sign up for an account, try it out for free. Once you do, you get access to lots of different pre-created prompts. So on the home screen, you get kind of a sampling of that. And then if you click view more, you get just tons and tons of pre-created prompts. So let's sample 3 of them so you can kind of get a feel for the tool and what it does. First one we will cover is the AI search engine. So with this one, instead of doing a basic Google search where you have to input your question and try and discern what the answer is, this one is going to scour the internet to find you multiple sources, give you an exact answer to your question, and it's going to link where it found this information as well. Next one we'll look at is right here, Explain Like I'm 5. They've also got one where you can explain like I'm a teenager, but for our demo, we're going to explain it like I'm 5. So with this tool, you can break down larger concepts into something that is digestible and understandable by the age range that you dictate there. My question, how to win a Super Bowl? All right, imagine you're playing a game of tag with your friends, but in this game, to be the winner, you have to be the best at both running super fast and not getting tagged. First, you need a team of really strong and fast players who can run with the ball, throw it far, and catch it without dropping it. If they keep winning in the playoffs, they get to go to the Super Bowl, which is the most important game where the 2 best teams play tag one last time to see who is the best of the best. The team that has the most points at the end of the game gets a big shiny trophy, and it's called the Super Bowl Champions. Yeah. Last one we're going to look at is called Meeting Prep. So with this tool, it assists you in preparing for a meeting with an individual. So what that means is you got to provide their name, the company that they work for. It's going to scour the internet and it's going to find all of the information that is out there about the person. I think it's a great example for students to see what kind of information that they're putting out there. If you are looking to hire a teacher perhaps or some other position, I think this is a great place to start so that you can find information about the person that you're potentially looking to hire. And I think that this one illustrates the point of how important prompting is. This entire thing right here, this is the prompt. So if you were to go to ChatGPT and just say, find information about Ronnie Williams from Greenbush, it wouldn't be able to know exactly what you're wanting it to do. But because it said, I want you to learn everything you can about him, for the first step, you're going to use the search function. So it's actually going to use the internet to look for information. It's not just localized information in a database like it normally is in ChatGPT. And this is what it found. Ronnie Williams is currently a coordinator of instructional resources at Greenbush. Quotes its source. We can click that. It'll take us right there. He appears to be very passionate about supporting educators, especially in the realm of EdTech. Found that on my YouTube page. He engages with these topics in social media under the handle @RonnieLovesTech. Wow. Ronnie also previously held the position of a school principal. That is accurate. Currently the director of instructional leadership for Greenbush. Off a little bit there, but kind of outdated information. At one point, that was accurate. Title changes over the year. He manages the EdTech Academy. I like how I phrase that. A professional development website for educators to learn about technology integration. Took that from LinkedIn. As for interviews and articles, Ronnie often appears on the Good People of Greenbush podcast where he discusses various educational topics and interviews guests. I think it's got me figured out. It's kind of crazy, all of the stuff that it knows about me. So once again, there's the URL. Hope you all have a great week. Chiefs are Super Bowl champions again. All is right with the world. Appreciate you tuning in, and as always, happy EdTeching.